Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Thank you all for joining me today. We're going to take a look at the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May. Yes, I got my Ipsy in and I've been waiting to get on here and show you guys what I've received. So if you're interested in taking a look at my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May, stay tuned. Okay, let's open her up and see what's inside. Let's see. Well, actually, I know what's inside because I used some of the products today. So this is the brochure you'll get in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May. And if you're not sure what Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is, it's a monthly subscription box, a beauty subscription box that costs $25 a month. You'll receive 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. These products will be valued at $125 at least. So we'll take a look at these and see what value we have this month. First, I'll look at it, and I've got more products than I should, but I think some of these were add-ons that I added to my bag. But let's go through the bag and we'll see what we have extra. It says, your dreams are your realities in waiting. Okay, that's a pretty saying. And we open it up, and the first product that I see is by Mascara. It's a lip coloring pencil duo in Lust and Media, and the value is $21 each. Wow. Lip pencils are expensive though, and these are the 2 full-size pencils, and I actually used one on my lips today. It was the pencil in Lust, and that is this one, and I'll show you what these look like. They're very close to the same tone, if I remember right. Okay, this one is Lust, and you can see it's a red, like a cherry red. It's got like blue undertones. It's not orange at all. And this is a very good color to have. You can use it with so many different lipstick colors and do so many things with it. This other one is in the shade, let's see if I can read it. What it said, Lust and Media. And let's see, get a swatch of Media. And the Media one has a little bit orange in it, I would say. Yeah. But they're both red tones, as you can see. They're both very useful colors, and I'm so happy I got these. And I mean, we didn't get one, we've gotten 2. Okay, and our next product is an eyeshadow palette from Wonder Beauty. It's the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette, valued at $25. Now, I had seen on Boxycharm had Wonder Beauty and on Instagram, and they talked about this palette coming out. And as you can see, let me open it up. It has some beautiful shades, but there's always a but. But if you're doing a look with this palette, unless you want to do like a really simple look, you may need another palette also. Because I used this palette today. This is the outer side, and it does have a magnetic closure. And when you open it up, these are the 6 colors you have. You have 2 mattes and 4 shimmers. Here are some swatches on 2 different tones of skin. From the top going down, you have Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Sand Dollar, which is a matte, Seafoam, and the other matte Coastal. Now you have to make sure when using Coastal, because sometimes with these shades of blue or even purple, it makes you look like you have a black eye. So just be aware of that when putting it on. I used a tan color from another palette to put all over my eyes, and then I came back with Sand Dollar as my transition shade. Now it looks a lot more pigmented the way I did it here, and I had lotion on my hands, so it blends lighter. As you can see on my eyes, it's lighter. And then I came back in the crease with the Coastal color, and on my lid I put Seafoam, and then I came back over it and put Sea Salt, which is the pinky color here. And I wanted it a little deeper. The blue wasn't quite deep enough for me, so I took Burnt Umber out of one of my Anastasia palettes and darkened it up a little bit. These are very pretty colors though. I like the palette overall, the color scheme. I just want more colors, maybe, that's the problem. But to me, you'll have to use another palette to get a little lighter color to put under your brow. But I really like the palette though. For $25, I think this is a cute little palette. Moving on, from the brand Go-To, it's the Face Hero. And this is a multitasking, good for you cocktail of natural ingredients that hydrates parched skin, it brightens dull skin, and it helps with inflammation, which I have on my cheeks. It also helps combat fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, and early signs of aging. And to use this, you just massage 5 drops onto clean skin after your daily serum and before your moisturizer, or mix a few drops into your favorite moisturizer, or you can just massage it into your skin for all day hydration. And here it is. It's Face Hero by the brand Go-To. Let's see what this looks like. I didn't get to try this item out, but I really want to try this out. I love the little bottle. It's really nice. It's glass. It's very nice packaging. And when you open it, let's see, I'm gonna put a dab on my hand here just to see how it drops. Oh, it's just like an oil. Now I use that maracuja oil from Tarte. I love that oil. And I have some Murad oil I've been using, and I also have some Youth to the People oil. So I've been alternating my oils because I have to use that with my dry skin, and nothing works like that maracuja oil by Tarte. I find it's one of the best. Now this is real light. Does have a little oily feel though, but I'm gonna try it out. Doesn't have a real heavy smell. It's very pleasant, but I'm gonna try this out. I really need to see if that works for my hydration issues. Okay, and moving on, we have Yinsa. It's the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is valued at $35. This is good for, it's for having that glowy natural skin with no makeup, or you can use it as a primer. It has shiitake mushrooms, black tea, chia seeds, and more nourishing ingredients. It helps correct and blur fine lines, pores, and uneven skin texture, all while giving you a subtle highlight. And all you do is just smooth on a clean face before makeup to increase the staying power of your favorite foundation, or just skip the makeup. Use it as a final step to your skincare routine. I do have this in a sample size. I may have gotten it in the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I've tried it and I like it as a primer. but as a natural look, I don't know that I would wear this. Maybe if I was going with a no makeup look, yes. But I think I'm gonna pass this on to my daughter. Oh, it's open, or is it not open? Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's tinted, I'm pretty sure. It has like a, yeah. You see, it's got like a flesh colored tint to it. As you can see in my middle finger, I don't know if you can see it. You see the color of it? And if you rub it onto your skin, it'll smooth out any imperfections. And ladies, this is the in thing right now. If you have beautiful skin that has no flaws or just a little pores, you just rub this into your skin and you'll have that little glow with smooth face, a smooth skin. And that's the in thing right now, a no makeup look. So this is the Yinsa. This is a great product. And then lastly is by, let's see how you say this brand. It's called Il Maquillage, the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara for $25. And I did try this out today, and this mascara I find does lengthen your lashes, but it doesn't thicken them like some mascaras do. So if you're looking for more length and thickening, this is the one you should use. I tend to have some mascaras right now, but I love mascaras. You know, I like trying the different formulas. And this Spoolie, the wand, is one that you can really, it's like a synthetic wand that bends real easy. Like the Big Bang mascara, the Benefit Big Bang. I love that one also. So you can really get in there and pull it. And I found that it separates the lashes good. It lengthens them. It just didn't make me feel like it was thickening my lashes that much. That's all my products, and let's see how much they're worth. Let's see, 132 plus 34, $166 value. Wow, let me fan myself with that one. That's a great box. That is a very good box. And I still have these. I bought the Benefit Big Bang mascara, the one I was just talking about. I can show you how that one bends also. This is the sample size. This was $3. You see it bends real easy. This is a very, if you've never tried the Benefit Big Bang mascara, this is a good one. It really thickens and lengthens. I really like the formula in this mascara. And I also have, what else did I buy? I guess I bought these each for $3. This is from GoFadden MD. It's the Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer. I have the full size in the eye moisturizer, the eye cream. I haven't gotten to try that yet, but this is the moisturizer to try. And also from Youth to the People, this is the Kale plus Green Tea Spinach Vitamins, and it's a superfood face wash. And I've never tried this. I may use it as a giveaway, or I may try it, I'm not sure. I just thought it was a product that looked like a good product for $3. And let's see what it looks like. It's a little jar, and this is a cleanser. What do y'all think about Ipsy this month? Hitting it out the park, I think. As far as value goes, you're not gonna get much more than $166 for $25. This is amazing, really. And I like the eyeshadow because the colors in it were a little different, and I like the different tones for summer. I want to try the Face Hero oil. I think this is going to be a good face oil. The Yinsa, this is a very good product. if you're gonna go with the no makeup look for just like smoothing out your face and pores, or even as a primer. You know, this is a very good product. And the mascara was pretty good. And we also got 2 lip pencils. I like getting lip pencils over eye pencils. For some reason, I like high-end eye pencils because I like to make sure they're dermatologist tested and they're waterproof, because my eyes constantly cry, and by the time I do these videos, I don't have much eye makeup left on, especially eyeliner. And that's it. So what do you think about the Ipsy box in May? I think it's a great box, especially for the value. And please remember to share and subscribe. Because of your sharing of my videos, you have helped me so much get to my goals. My next goal is 15,000, and I'm trying to reach that at least by the end of the year. I always set my goals for each month. So, and sometimes I try to do goals that are really hard to try to make me work a little harder. But one day I'll do a video on how I do my channel. And please give me a like if you liked my video. And until next time, take care. See you soon. Bye. Mwah.